How does self-employment affect my taxes? Have you ever wondered how being self-employed changes your tax situation? It's a great question, especially for those embracing a libertarian lifestyle. Let's break it down step by step. When you are self-employed, you wear two hats. You are both the employer and the employee. This unique position means you need to report your business income and expenses differently than a traditional employee. You will use a Schedule C form to report your profits or losses, which you attach to your personal income tax return. This means all the income you earn from your self-employment must be reported, but you can also deduct legitimate business expenses. This deduction can significantly lower your taxable income. Now let's talk about self-employment tax. This tax covers Social Security and Medicare, and as a self-employed person, you pay the full amount, which is currently 15.3% on your net earnings. Unlike employees who share this burden with their employer, you are responsible for the entire tax. However, there is a silver lining. You can deduct half of this self-employment tax when calculating your adjusted gross income, which helps reduce your overall tax burden. Another important aspect is that taxes are not withheld from your income like they are for regular employees. This means you need to make estimated quarterly tax payments to avoid penalties. These payments cover both your income tax and self-employment tax. It's essential to keep track of your income and expenses throughout the year to make this process smoother. From a libertarian perspective, self-employment aligns well with the values of individual ownership and personal responsibility. Libertarians often argue against heavy taxation on labor income, viewing it as a violation of the right to enjoy the fruits of one's labor. They advocate for simpler tax systems that reduce the burden on entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals. Practically speaking, being self-employed gives you greater control over your work and finances. However, it also requires careful tax planning and record-keeping to comply with tax laws while minimizing your tax liability. Libertarians encourage self-employed individuals to fully understand their tax obligations and to advocate for tax policies that respect personal property rights and limit government interference. In summary, self-employment affects your taxes by making you responsible for reporting all income, paying self-employment tax, and managing estimated tax payments. Embracing self-employment can be a fulfilling choice that aligns with libertarian values of freedom and independence, but it comes with its own set of responsibilities.